Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Aadhaar number or VID and ensuring you have the original Aadhaar card and a valid photo ID. This is mandatory. Once done, open the UID Resident Portal's Update Aadhaar section, select Update Mobile, and enter Aadhaar/VID. Make sure to provide an email for receipts. Next, follow on-screen prompts to generate an update request and note the URN. You will pay the nominal fee now. This begins the official update workflow and lets you book the next step. After creating the update request and paying the fee, you must finish the form carefully. Inaccurate digits or typos will delay processing. Once you receive the acknowledgement and URN, use the portal to book an appointment at the nearest Aadhaar Seva Kendra. Choose a slot with available biometric machines. Print or download the acknowledgement slip and bring the same ID you used online. This step links your digital request to an in-person biometric verification, which is required for mobile number changes. At the Aadhaar Seva Kendra, you will present originals and the acknowledgement. The operator captures biometric verification and validates the mobile change request. Make sure to confirm the new mobile number on screen before final submission. You then receive a final acknowledgement slip with the URN. Keep it safe. After 2 to 3 days, track the update status online with that URN. If the update stalls or you do not receive an OTP, recheck the submitted number, wait 24 hours for processing, then contact UID support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.